Tony, you're not going to make me do a video in this stuff, are you?
Why not, John? This is the latest fashion statement in industrial property. Seriously, we are in this really great industrial unit facing Fisher Avenue in Epping, one in Cape Town, and it is extremely functional, great loading areas out onto Fisher Avenue, and it also comes at a very competitive rent.
Hi everyone. So Tony's forced me into speaking in this outfit about this property, but it's quite good fun actually. Okay, so Tony, take it away.
This is the entrance area with the roller shutter door directly behind you right now. And as one can see, there's excellent entrance area and two different bays that one can use for industrial space. Please don't look at the outfits that we're wearing, rather look at the industrial space.